Welcome back to another videos. Join us for the latest news, insights, and updates on the Iraqi dinar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Let's explore the world of the Iraqi dinar together. At the heart of the statement is the mention of the dollar exchange rate, which is a measure of how much one unit of a local currency, for instance, the Nigerian naira, the Argentine peso, or the Egyptian pound, is worth in terms of the US dollar. Exchange rates can fluctuate based on a number of factors, including supply and demand, inflation, interest rates, government policies, and market speculation. In many countries, especially those with emerging economies or countries facing economic challenges, the exchange rate for foreign currencies like the US dollar can become volatile, leading to wide disparities between the official exchange rate set by the government or central bank and the rate available on the parallel or black market. Parallel markets arise when there is a gap between the official exchange rate and the rate determined by informal or unregulated markets. Typically, a government or central bank sets the official exchange rate in an attempt to stabilize the local currency, maintain control over the economy, or regulate the flow of foreign exchange. However, if the official rate is artificially low or does not reflect the true demand for foreign currencies, a parallel market often develops. In this market, the exchange rate is usually higher, reflecting the real supply and demand for foreign currency, especially when there are shortages of that currency. In addition to these measures, addressing the root causes of currency depreciation is essential. Inflation, for example, erodes the value of the local currency and makes it less attractive to investors and foreign exchange markets. High inflation rates can be driven by a number of factors, such as excessive government spending, large budget deficits, or rapid increases in the money supply. Reducing inflation through sound fiscal and monetary policies is crucial for restoring confidence in the local currency and stabilizing the exchange rate. In this regard, central banks play a vital role in managing inflation and stabilizing the exchange rate. Central banks can use tools such as interest rate adjustments, open market operations, and reserve requirements to control inflation and manage currency volatility. By raising interest rates, for example, central banks can reduce the supply of money in circulation, which helps to curb inflation and supports the value of the local currency. However, raising interest rates can also slow economic growth and increase borrowing costs, so central banks must strike a careful balance between controlling inflation and supporting economic activity. Another key factor that affects exchange rates and contributes to the emergence of parallel markets is political stability. Investors and businesses are more likely to trust a currency and invest in an economy when there is political stability and confidence in the government's ability to manage the economy. In contrast, political instability, corruption, or uncertainty about future government policies can lead to capital flight, where investors move their money out of the country to avoid potential losses. This increases demand for foreign currency, drives up the exchange rate on the parallel market, and further weakens the local currency. Without addressing these underlying issues, efforts to dismantle the parallel market may prove ineffective, as the economic incentives that drive demand for foreign currency outside of official channels will persist. Therefore, any comprehensive solution to reducing the exchange rate and stabilizing the economy must go beyond simply targeting the parallel market and focus on creating the conditions for long-term economic stability and growth. Thanks for watching Iraqi Dinar. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share our videos. Your support keeps our channel going. Stay curious, and see you in the next one.